Hey everyone, it's Vosk. I'm here with Tails and HonestCorb, and we are reviewing the USB Scrypt ASIC miner Moonlander 2 by Futurebit, the smallest and most powerful for its size ASIC miner. The Futurebit Moonlander 2 is a USB Scrypt ASIC miner boasting a hash rate of 5 megahash a second. So you're going to need a lot of them to equal Bitmain's Antminer L3+. But the difference here is this plugs into the USB port on your computer. Today, Corbin was putting together a written and video guide on how to do that. Corbin, what do you think about setting up the miner?
Today was the first time I ever worked with the Moonlander 2. All I had to do was download 2 files, get a Litecoin address, and join one pool, and I had this up and running in about 5 minutes.
Tails, what do you think of this miner? Do you approve of it? Do you know that Scrypt is Dogecoin mined? No? It's not Tails approved. So even though this miner can make Dogecoin, it is just not a very good value when you factor in the wattage that your computer would use to stay on, which would be much more than this earns at estimated 3 cents a day. While I don't see very many of these farms going to pop up in the future, granted some people did buy some USB hubs and really get hashing away at these. Unfortunately, with the price drop on the L3+, it doesn't seem like that was the best move. However, I do see a great application of this tech in an educational environment. So you take this and you bring it into a high school classroom, middle school classroom, college, and then the teacher or professor will break it out when they're talking about blockchain, and they have a mining component, and they can take this, an $80 write-off, and show their students what it's like to mine, going through the miner software, and they could have a glimpse of just what this looks like and really stick with them. In comparison, if they wanted to use the latest and greatest ASIC miner or building a GPU rig, they'd be out the door for, somewhere between $1,000 and $3,000. Well, this is a fraction of that at about 80 bucks, but it's also a fraction of earnings.
Now the value in this might not be in mining, but there is value, like Drew said, in education and as a gift for people like your friends and family members who are looking to at least experiment with crypto. It's so easy that anyone can do this, from your brother and sister to your parents to your grandparents. And in my opinion, is a great way to help mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency.
So with that said, everyone, that's our review on the Futurebit Moonlander 2, a very cool device designed in Brooklyn, New York, and well, you probably guessed it, manufactured in China, but nonetheless designed here. And actually a very cool story of Jay Stefanop, who designed this basically in his house. He has a very deep knowledge of this subject. He then brought that design and had it produced on a larger scale and still kept the quality that he had in his original. So again, not a miner that I would recommend if you're looking really to make money, but a great tool, as we talked about, for gifts for friends and family, as well as use in educational environments. And again, thank you to him for giving us the opportunity to review this. With all that said, make sure to subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.